Okay, try to make these a little bit more entertaining, I guess, or a little not so much dry. But here's a Note 3. This is a customer's phone. We're going to do a charging port repair. Their charging port inside here is all jacked up. But the Note 3 of the Galaxies is one of the easier phones because the connectors are not plastered underneath the glass. So first thing I'm going to do is take the battery out, take off the back, and then all these screws in the back are going to come out. Take out the stylus pin. You can leave the SIM card in, and we'll just go ahead and get these out real quick. I've had this phone apart before. You can tell it's been repaired because there's a line across here as somebody's pressed from the other side. I'm not sure, but there's one screw missing, so you might want to annotate that on your repair sheet if you were doing this repair. Take these off, take this one off. Take that one off. Take that one. Okay, so once you get all those screws out, then you're just going to grab this side right here and gently lift up, and that should pop off. Then the next step is, here's your charging port. The reason I can tell this has been repaired before is that one line here, this connector, that's not factory. This is a Sprint board with a Verizon charging port. And on the Note 3, if you look at these markings down here, it'll tell you what will fit into this. I'm not even sure if that's Sprint board. This is marked N900V V1. So I'm not entirely sure if that board actually sits in there. Looks like it does, but sometimes it does make a difference on the board. Okay, so we are going to take a flat-headed screwdriver, lift these radio connectors. I'm just going to pop that loose real quick. Pull that off. Undo this connector here, and we're just going to lift this out. Since the charging port's bad, we don't really care to break it. Okay, we're going to move that one off the side. Take our new charging port, take off our backing. It's going to have silver tape on it. We'll make sure the silver tape stays on there, don't pull it all off. And then the adhesive part. And all you're going to do, now we're going to pull this out. We already have it on our new connector. This is tape. And we're just going to set this in there, line up the little prongs, press that down, press that down. We're going to reconnect. And we're going to plug this in. Okay, and then normally right here what I would do is plug in the charger and make sure we're charging, but I'm pretty confident this port's good. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Just gonna snap back into place. Okay, stand by, I'm gonna get a charger. Alright, got a charger, so we're gonna go ahead and put our battery in. Just super dead. Well, this battery's been discharged for a while, so that's good that we got that indication to come up by just plugging it in. That tells me that the phone is receiving power now, so we'll go ahead and unplug that. And then we'll just proceed to put our screws back in into each hole. Real simple repair, probably take about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes tops, pending no catastrophic things come up or happen. This screwdriver is really nice. All the spare tips, they all get held in here. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to buy one of these screwdrivers, I'll show you where to grab it. Along with some other tools like these ESD tweezers are nice. And also where you can grab a charging port. Should you want to attempt this on your own. Alright, put our stylus back in, put our battery back in. We still have our one screw missing. Well, I have some spare screws at the shop. We'll stick a spare one in there for him, fix him up. And